Could stop. Stop. It's an invasion. Stop. You're telling the cat to shut up, right? Look at them all. Yeah. You're cute.
And
all right, I know you want to eat. Uh-oh. We've been spotted.
Oh, that goose?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's a pretty active squirrel.
Where's the squirrel?
He's right on the top of the bench. Gonna run right up that tree. He's pissed. Everybody's in his yard.
Oh, over there.
That's why he's shaking his tail.
He's probably missing the seashells that had the seed in them.
Really?
Yeah, the baby threw them in the water.
Boy, he's really not liking us.
They look like little dinosaurs, don't they? Uh-oh, that one looks like he's... Oh, they're gonna fight. Oh, maybe not.
Yeah, they're all seeing you. I like when they stand real tall.
A lot of squirrels down there.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. Bloop.